Hey everyone, I'm Michael Marston again with Unity Intercom, and I'm going to talk for a little bit about the Unity Max option that we have. So, as you probably know, with Unity Intercom, it's all about how many user licenses you have. You can buy user licenses in groups of like 2, 5, and 10, up to 63. But with our Unity Max license, you can buy out of that. Unity Max retail is $3,999, $4,000. That removes your user cap. So from the Unity server point of view, you can enable as many people as you wish. Even though you may never have that many people online, without having to, when you enable somebody, that's actually what uses up your license. So if you make a mic in your Unity server and you check enable, that makes it so that I can log in using mic. But that uses up one of your licenses. So if you have 40 user licenses and, you wish to break free of that, buy the Unity Max. And so what happens at that point is that if you have 80 members of your team, you can put all of those people in your Unity server and you can enable every one of them so they can all log in anytime they want to. And you don't have to worry about managing how many licenses you have or any of that. If you have 200 people on your Unity server, you can enable all of those people and every one of them can log in. So Unity Max is very, very powerful. Actually, it's one of our faster growing purchases. However, up to what your computer can handle. As long as you have a decent Mac, you're probably going to be fine. It's people that have some of the maybe entry-level Macs that are 5 and 6 years older. They, having 150 people on might not work so well, for that instance. But Unity Max is priced at retail $3,999. It's $4,000 outright. If you've already spent money, if you've already purchased a couple of 10 users, we take that off of your price. So we'll send you an online payable invoice for, with what you've already spent in consideration. If you're starting out fresh, it's $3,999 for Unity Max. It's really the way to go. If you're going to only have 8 or 9 people on, no, it's not for you. But if you're going to have 30 or 40 people on, you need to get Unity Max and don't worry about all that. Just set it free so you can just enable everybody, and that way you don't have to worry about managing it. It'll make a huge difference. But yeah, that's Unity Max. Unity Max doesn't take the place of a base license. You still need to have a Unity Intercom base license. Unity Max gives you infinite users. That takes the user cap off. You're good. However, it doesn't change anything else. So you probably will still want the Unity IO license. You'll probably want the advanced license. It doesn't change the expanded channels and groups. So with the expanded channels and groups, you still have 64 groups, 128 channels that you can make. Remember, a group is 6 channels. So you have these unique groups, each with 6 unique channels, or like I say, 5 unique channels with 1 common channel, because multiple groups can have the same channel. So 64 groups, 128 channels. Unity Max does not change that. I just try to throw this out there because a lot of people, when they get Unity Max, they want to know, does this affect my expanded channels and groups. It does not. However, it lets you have, you don't have to worry about users anymore. But that's Unity Max, and it's the way to go if you're going to have more than 30 people that could possibly be on Unity Intercom. Unity Max is obviously the way to go. If you're going to have more than 50, Unity Max actually saves you money. So anyway, just wanted to talk about it because it's trending. It's a thing that people are wanting to know more about. So anyway, thank you guys.